Looking up at the night sky, it's hard not to wonder how many stars might be home to Earth-like planets that host intelligent life that may even be staring right back at us. Thanks to NASA's Space Telescope, Kepler, we do at least have rough estimates as to how many Earth-like rocky planets there are in the Milky Way Galaxy that orbit in the habitable zone of another star. Around 1 in 5 Sun-like stars have an Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone. Assuming around 200 billion stars are in the Milky Way Galaxy, that would be 40 billion potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone. If billions of potentially water-laden Earth-sized planets exist within our galaxy, then surely the odds suggest life is out there. 30 years ago, the idea of a distant planet orbiting another star was something more suited to the realms of science fiction. A few decades later, and nearly 2,000 exoplanets have been confirmed, with the rate of discovery ever increasing. One of the most effective methods used to discover exoplanets is known as the transit method. When a planet passes in front of its star, it produces a slight dimming of the star's light that can be detected by sensitive instruments. The Kepler Space Telescope, which used the transit method to great effect, is limited to focusing on one small patch of sky, about 0.25%. However, NASA's next planet hunting mission, the Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, or TESS for short, is designed to survey the entire sky and find exoplanets significantly closer to Earth. So we know Earth-sized rocky planets in the habitable zone are common throughout the galaxy, and we also know how to locate them, but outer space is massive, so big in fact that Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our solar system, is 4.37 light years away, more than 25.6 trillion miles. So far away that sending a manned mission or probe there would not be possible in our lifetimes, unless alternate propulsion methods are discovered. So with that in mind, why are many of the world's leading scientists confidently making the prediction we will discover alien life within the next 10 to 40 years? The possibility of finding alien life in our solar system is still very plausible, and the 6th largest of Saturn's moons may be the perfect place for that discovery. Enceladus has a subsurface ocean underneath its icy crust and has gained a lot of attention in the search for life beyond Earth. This is due to its erupting water geysers, which are believed to be an indication of hot springs under its frozen surface. Another candidate, Mars, is believed to have once been home to vast amounts of water, some of which is still present in the form of ice, and a small amount of vapour in its atmosphere. Microbial life could yet be found on Mars. However, alien life found in our solar system would likely turn out to be a lot less alien than you might think. Microbial life from Earth would have almost certainly been blasted around the solar system by asteroid and comet impacts, transporting microorganisms protected deep inside rocks on a harsh journey through space. Or, life here on Earth could in fact turn out to be Martian, as we know life existed here around the same time Mars is believed to have been a much warmer and wetter place. Answers to man's undying question, are we alone in the universe, will come as we widen our gaze beyond our solar system. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST for short, is due to be launched in 2018. One of its main uses will be to study the atmospheres of exoplanets, with the potential to follow up on and provide a more in-depth look at some of the TESS mission's most promising discoveries. The JWST and future larger space telescopes will be able to detect a strong enough signal from close-by exoplanets to detect greenhouse gases present in their atmosphere. These detections are made using spectroscopy. When starlight passes through a planet's atmosphere, the chemical signature of the atmosphere is imprinted on the light as dark lines in its spectrum. These lines precisely indicate what gases are present in its atmosphere. By detecting large quantities of biosignature gases in the atmosphere of an exoplanet, life can be inferred to exist there. One example would be oxygen. Our atmosphere has around 21% oxygen in it. Without life in the form of plants and photosynthetic bacteria, we would have practically none. In one of the many close-by star systems, an alien civilization could be looking at Earth right now. After analysing our planet's atmosphere, they may have reached the conclusion that the high oxygen levels and water vapour, amongst other things, are a clear sign of life on our planet. Perhaps several alien civilizations in the universe have made the discovery of life on Earth, and the only thing stopping a visit is the lack of technology to get here. If life is prevalent in the Milky Way Galaxy, then it's within our reach to be the first generation in human history to witness the discovery of alien life, and finally answer man's age-old question, are we alone? I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Will we live to see alien life discovered, or perhaps you believe life is exclusive to Earth? Either way, let me know in the comments section, and like and subscribe for much more to come.